Okay, girls, are you looking for the most adorable tennis skirt to wear for your outdoor activities or maybe just working out? I'm Gina with WTI, and I got this black and gray camel colored one from Stelle, and I'm totally obsessed with it. For one thing, this is so well made, just like all the other items I have from Stelle. The fabric is so soft and comfy, and it has these little shorts underneath with pockets in them. This was perfect when I was out paddleboarding because I wanted to be able to put my phone somewhere safe and be able to film when I wanted to. The pleats in the back are perfectly placed for that little flounce. I also like how high it comes up on my waist. I've got a little bit of a belly pooch, and this just makes me feel a little bit more comfortable having that coverage. I generally wear a size medium or 6 to 8 in pants. So I got the medium size for this tennis skirt, and it is true to size. There are so many different patterns and colors to get this skirt in. You really need one for every day of the week. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.